That is the equation of the surface. So what's the answer? Well, this is a surface. If you say a comma 0, then it means this point, the ray which is going to the left side or minus x side will hit and go back. Why will it go towards y? It can't be C. You can answer this without any mathematics, just from the argument of symmetry. What should be this point? Yes, tell me, what are the coordinates of this point? It's a symmetric thing. If it is symmetric, then this angle should be 45. So the answer should be a cos 45, a sin 45. I'm not sure how you are getting other answers. If you have any questions, then let me know. You are right. But just a moment. It is 3f by 2 from the mirror. 3f by 2 from the mirror. So 3f by 2 minus f by 2. Final answer should be A. Final answer should be A. Raise your hand if you would like this to be discussed. It's a case of virtual image. That means object is somewhere here. Let's say this distance is x. Virtual means it is on the right side, and it is upright also. I am taking x and y as the distances, geometrical distances, which are positive. Now, we know that position of the object. Now, second case. The real image of same magnification has to be inverted. Now, m is minus 2. Again, I am using x dash and y dash as actual distances. Or maybe I can use u and v themselves in this case. Alright, let's use u and v. So in that case, sign will automatically be taken care of. It has to be inverted case, so m has to be minus 2. So v is 2u. Now 1 upon u plus 1 upon v is equal to 1 upon f. That means 3 by 2u equal to 1 upon f. U equal to 3f by 2 It's on the left side, obviously, negative. S is negative, so U is negative. But distance-wise, if we see, distance-wise, then 3f by 2 on the left and f by 2 on the left. So from this middle point, it is going to here. So how much it has to be moved? F. Let me know if you have any questions. Alright, which is the image? A, B, C or D? More than 2f, it's a case of magnification being negative. So yes, inverted. If you look at CD, then CD should invert. C dash should be below. That means option A is gone. Option D is gone. Uh-oh. You have chosen option D. Think again. And then we discuss. Option A also is not possible. It has to be B or C. Okay, B and C. Right, I will have to change that trapezium. I will have to change. Try now. If the object is at 2f, then its size is same, right? And then when you cross 2f, what happens? Size becomes larger or smaller? Smaller. And that means CD part, which is closer to 2f, should have larger image. AB, which has gone even further, that should have a smaller image. B should be correct. Let me show you something. Let's start at 2f position. At 2f, you have same size. Now I'm going to the left. We'll try to keep the height same as I drag the mouse. Watch out this thing. Watch out for the image size. You can clearly see that it is shrinking and shrinking and shrinking. The same size, then shrinks and shrinks and shrinks further and further. Now if you go to the right side, then look at that. larger and larger and larger, and see what will happen at the focus. One assignment was given in the last class at focus. At focus, minus infinity to plus infinity change takes place. I am just reaching focus and see the image, it is at minus infinity. Now the moment I will cross over to the right side, just see what happens to image. Image also suddenly goes to the right side, from extreme left to extreme right, and it's massive. But then it will shrink and shrink and shrink. When you are at the pole, image is also at the pole. So that's the story of concave mirror. And if we discuss convex mirror, well, convex mirror is simple. If you are going to the left side, just see what happens to the image. Only one case, smaller, 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 as you go to the left, further and further. And image travels to the right side. So the velocity of the image object velocity left side, velocity of the image right side. Velocity of the object right side, velocity of the image left side. More than one may be correct here. More than one may be correct. D is certainly right, but the virtual image is also larger. Any questions? Let me know. More than one may be correct. That's good. AC. It can't be plane. It can't be convex. It can only be concave. I mean, you can't get larger size in convex also, you can't get larger size in plane. Out. And in concave, if you want to get positive magnification, there is only one way, virtual which is pole to focus case. Any questions? Let me know. Try this. Now here you have to match with maybe. Maybe. If m is plus half, it may be this also. That way you have to do the matching. Let's see. Plus half. Convex. In fact, it has to be. It must be also. Just a moment. Let me make one change. I can see that these options are somewhat becoming similar. Half and 2 by 3, both are fractions. Let me make it 1. So you may have to re-answer. And also I think I will remove maybe. Must be. Must be. Yes, what's the problem now? M equal to plus 1 is very easy. Perhaps the easiest. Now 2 by 3 decimal, it must be convex. And then it must be concave, no other choice. And we stop now.